How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of armpit fat advanced workout. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. So let's get started. First exercise, we're going to go like this. This is amazing for the armpit fat, you guys. That's 10. We will be doing high repetitions, you guys. Again, high repetition is what's needed to get the blood flowing and to get rid of the armpit fat. So just keep going. That's 20 reps. We're going to keep going. Perfect. Quick 5-second little break. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do, we're going to get our hands like this and we're going to go down like this. These you can do quite high repetitions, and that's exactly what we're going to do. (16, 17), keep going. It's 30, keep going. Perfect, quick 5-second little break. Okay, we're now gonna get our hands like this and we're just gonna cross them just like this. Make sure you stretch, big stretch on the way out. Try to squeeze as much on the way back, just like this. Perfect, you guys, perfect. Okay, next exercise that we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our hands and just lift them as high as you can. So come back down, touch your legs, and then all the way back up, stretching for about 2 to 3 seconds at the very top. Trust me, this exercise works really, really nicely. It's gonna really get rid of the part right in there. So again, big stretch, put it down, big stretch, come down, big stretch, come down, keep going. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're now gonna do this exercise again. So 1, 2, perfect. So end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already.